Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to manage who can search you by email on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how to manage on who can search you by your email on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage on who can search you by email on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And then what you'll need to do is to simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you'll be directed into this page and you'll need to scroll down. And you will see in here settings and privacy. And beside it, there will be a drop down button. Simply tap on it. And then in here, tap on the settings button. And then here under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences and the audience and visibility. In these, tap on this how people find and contact you. Once you tap on it, you will see in here that who can look up using the email address you provided. Simply tap on it to manage it. And as you can see, it's on everyone. But if you want it just on friends of friends, tap on this button. And just on friends, tap on this button. And then you want it to only me, tap on this button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage who can look you up using the email address you provide, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage on who can search you on Facebook by email, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.